How to have no username on Discord. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to have no username on Discord. First, open Discord and click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Now go to Edit User Profile and tap on the username field. Here, replace your current username with a single character like a dot, underscore, or any symbol. Then click Save Changes to confirm. If Discord doesn't allow this, try searching for blank character in your web browser, copy it, and paste it as your username. Now check your profile. Your username should appear empty or nearly invisible. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.